We are in the engineering lab at TRAK Machine Tools headquarters in Rancho Dominguez, California. Chris Pollock from Siemens is visiting to help us with the project. Chris, what are you guys working on?
So we're actually product testing a brand new machine accessory, I guess we could call it, which is a two-axis trunnion table. So TRAK is now really entering what I would say is the advanced manufacturing market by being able to offer full 5-axis technology. So in this case, the machine to my right actually has a 2-axis rotary table that gets added to it to make it full 5-axis.
The last time I interviewed you, we were all getting ready to launch the SINUMERIK 1 CNC in North America. How has the SINUMERIK 1 performed so far?
It's been really well received. I think one of the nice parts with the SINUMERIK 1 is we didn't try to reinvent the wheel completely. So the HMI, the human machine interface, the screens that people interact with, it's really the same as our other controls. For us, the SINUMERIK 1 is really all about a horsepower upgrade. So we were able to take users that know our product and they transitioned immediately to it. And then they can just learn some of the new key features and functions, but really get to experience the performance gains. TRAK for sure was very proactive and aggressive to bring it into the market, and I think it paid off. They're now a leader in the market with this technology.
Siemens has made a lot of changes to their organization in North America. What do you want our customers to know about those changes?
For us, it's very important to see the US, I would say, kind of turn back and become a real player and powerhouse when it comes to manufacturing. So what we've done is we've created our own internal initiative where we're really assessing the market, where we see the market potential and growth, and then hiring heavily in those regions so we can kind of react to it and really be a partner with the United States manufacturing to get it to the level it needs to be.
I understand that Siemens really dominates the very high end of CNC applications. What does that entail?
We are very strong when it comes to automation, integration, and mixed technology integration. A lot of our other competitors tend to struggle a little bit with that, especially from an advanced side. And let's face it, that's where the US is going to need to excel because it's always going to be challenging when you have a limited labor force. That's usually where you get to the 5-axis. I would say this is your entry into that market space.
There are a lot of Fanucs and Haas out there. What would you say to a customer to get them to consider switching to Siemens?
So if you want to start to look into these new evolutions of manufacturing, you're going to need a control system that has been driving that technology, not trying to catch up with it. And that's really what we do. We are an advanced technology leader because we're not afraid to reinvent ourselves. We're not afraid to completely dismantle and rebuild our systems so we can drive that technology. And nothing against Fanuc and Haas, they're great products, but they kind of are somewhat older, more antiquated systems. If you want to retain, especially the young, energetic, advanced people of the workforce, you got to give them something that excites them. And maybe I'm biased because my shirt says Siemens, right? But I think this product excites people. There's all kinds of things you can do with this control, and it's easy to do. So I've actually found, and I've heard a lot of feedback from customers that it's an easy way to retain your workforce and be more attractive if you're giving them these new leading edge products.
Now I want you to put on your Mr. CNC hat.
Ah, okay.
What do you have in store for our SINUMERIK 1 users?
So one of the things we just announced and we just launched, traditionally the majority of our video content came from my studio in New York. However, we have a whole technology center in Illinois where I have a lot of advanced equipment. It took us a little while to get there, but we now have all of the equipment, all the infrastructure, so we can start producing video content from that facility. And what we're really excited about is we'll be able to produce content on our TRAK VMC 7SI. So it's going to be enable us to expand the technology and the video content we're producing. And I mean, you guys are a powerhouse with TRAK and Pat. So I'm gonna push you guys to get him out to our facility. I think we need to make some joint content utilizing that machine. And certainly this is great. I'd love to come out here and do more content with you guys. So I think we could do a lot more collaboration on that side.
That is great. It sounds like our customers have a lot to tune into.
Absolutely.
Well, thank you, Chris. As always, it was a pleasure to see you, and I hope you enjoy your time in Southern California.
Well, thank you. It's been great. Oh, I mean, you know, it's hard for me because I'm what I would consider a metalhead. I just like making chips. Now watch this.